Alright guys, so we just got the weather report from the National Weather Services. So there's one watch and one warning. So right now, a couple hours ago, while I was at work, we got a severe thunderstorms warning. So we are under right now we are under a severe thunderstorms warning. It might be included on a tornado watch. So there's severe thunderstorms. So right now, severe thunderstorms. So my thing just went off like a couple minutes ago. So I'm gonna flick the lights on so that we can see. So yeah.
3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central Swain and Grant. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles south of Gatlinburg.
Unexpected tornado, severe tornado watch, and also severe thunderstorms. So I'm gonna leave this on just in case that thing goes off again, so I can get on film. So I'm gonna head outside. I'm gonna open up the door. Open up the window so that I can hear the emergency alert going off from outside. So let's do that. Ew.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Blue Ridge or tweet us using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific
So I'm gonna leave this open. There we go. Alright. So let's head outside and I'll see you once I get outside. Alright guys, so looking outside right here. So right here, we got some clouds over there. We're gonna heading the thunderstorm cell actually coming on that side. It's actually cover. But if you look right towards the north, there's some gray clouds right there. So that means there's a approaching storm coming in. So right now, the clouds are actually blowing this way. It's actually blowing this way. That's a good news. If it was actually coming this way, then this should be not good at all. So there's some clouds, a little bit like gray clouds right there. If you look over there, clay clouds are right there. That means the approaching thunderstorms are actually coming in. So it's starting at 3:20 or 3:30. I just realized that at 3:07 p.m. We'll be getting some heavy rain coming in. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit until that thing goes off, and then if that thing goes off, then I will start recording right away. So if you heard that from the alert, we'll be getting a tornado watch infected until 7 p.m. So, ooh, there's some okay. These clouds are actually getting darker on that side. It's actually blowing this way right there. You can see the clouds actually moving. It's blowing this way. Uh-oh. Oh no. Do you know what time is it? Here we go! Severe thunderstorms warning!
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Macon County in western North Carolina, northern Jackson County in western North Carolina.
Severe thunderstorms warning! There we go. The one you heard that. Holy crap, dude. It's actually coming on this way. There we go. I actually stay on recorded. Stay 6. Dang. Alright. Well, we got a severe thunderstorms warning. My thing just went off. That's awesome. So, that was actually the first time recording.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
There you go. That was actually pretty creepy. Ooh, you heard thunder coming from a distance. It's actually over there. So I'm gonna check the radar and see how that goes. So we're gonna get some rain coming in pretty soon. So it's 3:07 p.m. I think we're gonna get some rain pretty soon. So probably 3:20 we'll get some heavy rain. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video real quick and I'll check the weather real quick and I'll catch you guys back a little bit later for some weather updates. We got another warning! See what it is?
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Dang, we got another severe thunderstorms warning. Hey, I got my thing right off.
County of East Tennessee, southeastern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09
Holy
Eastern
shoot,
Daylight Time,
dude.
severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 11 miles southwest of town of Santigua to 9 miles east
There
of
we go.
town to 8 miles north of Morganton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour in gusts.
There we go, guys. We got another severe thunderstorms warning. Alexa, wait my notification.
Warning notification. From Amazon. The U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Murphy. It'll be in effect until August 7th, 3:15 p.m. EDT.
Holy crap, dude. Okay, this is starting to get a little bit worse there. Holy crap! It is actually full gray.
Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight
I think
Time
it's
for
not too safe for
southwestern
going
North
outside.
Carolina, East Tennessee. For your protection, move to
There we go,
room
guys.
on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina. Cherokee and Clay.
There we go, guys.
Tornado watch number 6.
Tornado watch, that's what it says. Alright, so I'm gonna check the weather real quick and I'll see you a little bit later for some weather update. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got some severe thunderstorms warning. As you can see here, we got some gray clouds, but guess what? It's raining. It's starting to rain. Oh, we're getting some heavy rain. Here we go. I can cut the rain. Holy crap, dude. Dude, it's actually raining. Holy moly. I gotta get back inside. Woo! Oh my gosh. That's rain. I gotta get my umbrella. Oh, it's great today. Unexpected. Holy crap, dude. There's the light. Oh, it's starting to rain. I gotta get my umbrella. There's some rain right over there. It's starting to rain pretty fast, pretty heavy. Ooh, let's see. Where's my umbrella? I had it for you. Dang it. God, dude. Ah, here's my umbrella. Get some more severe thunderstorms information. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit later. Alright guys, so this is what the outside view looks like. Ooh, there goes my umbrella. So looking on top, holy crap, it is actually getting gray. There's some gray clouds. The one we just passed was actually so gray. Oh. So everything I think should be fine inside this area. So I'm gonna head back inside. Oh, boy. It's raining. From the distance. My phone's kind of a little bit wet, but not too much. So it should be fine now. So yeah, You guys have it. If I just heard severe thunderstorms warning.
County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, Clay County in southwestern North Carolina, southeastern
Oh no.
County of East Tennessee, southeastern Monroe.
Oh my gosh.
45 p.m. Eastern
There goes the power again.
09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh no.
Thunderstorms were located
Power just ran out. Holy crap, dude.
9 miles east of Ducktown to 8 miles north of
Oh my gosh.
Hazard
Power outage.
$7.5 hail. Source.
Dude. Power just ran out. I gotta turn on my lights. Dude. It's not bright at all. Dude. Holy crap, dude. Our power just ran out. Holy crap. Dude. Power just ran out. Whew. Dude. There goes the power. Our power went out. So, we got some. Oh! Hey! Power's back on. Nice. That was actually pretty. That was actually an unexpected power outage. So power just went off like a couple, like at least like I'll say like a minute, and the power's back on. Awesome. I'll have this just in case. There you go. The power just ran out, and the power's back on. All right. I'll see you a little bit later. Alright, recently, it's still windy, but still cloudy, but rain is actually kind of starting to pretty heavy. So, if you already look at the image of where we're at, we're definitely in zone red. So, basically means that we're in heavy rain. So, you could be able to see it. It's been raining a lot. So, oh! I just saw a lightning strike. I think I might be able to see the lightning strikes. Ooh. Oh. That is so scary. We almost got struck. Almost. Holy moly, dude. I hope it will be okay by now. Ooh, it's...
Tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina. Prepare immediately for launch.
Holy crap, dude.
People outside should move for shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Report damaging winds, hail, or flooding.
The rain started picked up pretty heavy. It's actually wind.
Or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event.
There you go. Alright. I think that should be it for the today's weather. Severe thunderstorms. We didn't get a tornado warning. Well, we did actually got tornadoes, so which is tornado watch. So the title should be severe thunderstorms warning leads to a tornado watch. So there you guys have it with the severe thunderstorms updates. So hope you guys all enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.